Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you today? Very good morning to you, to all my subscribers from Luangprabang. Just now I wake up and I came to this beautiful restaurant for tea. This is the mesmerizing view from here. This is Luangprabang and that is River Mekong. Have a look at this. It's really fun to dine in a riverside restaurant, especially now. As you see, it's so quiet. So now I'm going to drink my tea. Have a look at this is my tea. Have a look at some of my cool gadgets. So this is my DSLR camera. Have a look at the lens. It's 24-624 and this is made in Japan. Have a look at this, made in Japan. And there's a pop-up display here. This has a very good zooming capability. Now if you look at the board there and have a look at this, and you look at the board with this, now I zoom in further, you see that house over there. Now have a look at this. So you can't see that house from here, but with this camera, so imagine how good it would be to make vlogs with this. And I always buy the best. I do a lot of research before buying, and when I'm satisfied that this is the best, then only I buy. The life here is quite good. It's quite peaceful here. You can see the boats. Someone is probably they're going, they went for fishing and now they are coming back, I believe so. Isn't it nice? Please comment and tell. Let me show you my phone. This is one more I bought. This is water submersible. It has a 48 megapixel camera. I already made an unboxing video of this and I'm going to upload it soon. Quality is very nice. When I upload, you will see it will look better from that. Now the screen is not that much. Look at the boat there. The life is so quiet and calm here. Now look at this. In the evening there's also a cruise in this river. I have traveled more than 66 countries around the world, and I enjoy this kind of lifestyle in the boat, taking sunset cruise. That is one of the reasons for coming to Asia. So this is my tea now. And I have some more channels. You can find them on the featured channel bar. So please have a look at them and subscribe to them. You will find very nice videos. There are already many nice videos uploaded on those channels, so you can find it. It's a bit cloudy, but it won't rain like yesterday. Yesterday was also the same weather, but it didn't rain, so it was nice. Because I don't like rain. It's too much muddy and wet. This restaurant is nice. I find they made something for the kids, so I believe people and a lot of family people might be coming here. How many of you want to be here? This is in Luangprabang, and right now I am in Laos. I have been to Laos before and Luangprabang before. This is my second visit, and I like it. And it's very much is the most popular destination in Laos. You can find a lot of flights to and from Luangprabang airport direct to many countries. It has a lot of connections, international connections. And anything else if you want to ask, you can ask me. This is my camera, and it's very nice, the lens and the quality. Just look at the lens. How's this? Please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I drink tea now, and you guys enjoy. Have a look at this one more boat.